how I have missed you guys. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Navituous, and we back here again with another video. Today I'ma attempt, listen to me, I'm going to attempt to put some lashes on me. Like, this side of my face is just, you can see my halo. Pipe down. All right, there we go. Bring that melanin back in my skin. Yes. I got my lashes, my little tweezers, and my hair glue, and my mirror. That's dirty. But I'm just go ahead and take these out the pack. She was like, take them off with the tweezers. I never used to understand what they meant. Like, you could tell the left side of the lash from the other side. But now I see, cause it's like this side is short. Trying to hold this lash with this tweezer is stressful. I don't see how y'all deal, cause I can't. I felt like I was putting glue on a track, and I don't like that. Let's bring this into my face. Hello. Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all, I'm so dumb. I got the thing on the glue. There we go. Well, let's try this. I can't do it with these tweezers. I just can't. I'm gonna try to apply it with my hand. Yeah, I cannot follow tutorials for nothing, because I be done go and do my own thing and what I want to do. Cause y'all, I done glued my eyes closed. Oh! I glued it closed for real, y'all. There you go. I'm gonna peel this off, and I'm gonna try it again. Cause I'm gonna sit here till I get these lashes on. I wasn't even recording just now. Man, y'all, I don't know how I got this thing on my eye. Yo. 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 You for real right now? Like, yo. I can't open my eye, y'all. What the? I hate this. I hate this. Like, I try so hard to be a girl. Yo, I realized I just glued my eyes closed just now. Like, I'm gonna try this one more time, and I swear I'm kind of like over this at this point. Like, I don't care if I never learn how to put on lashes. Like, I'm tired of this. That's just like my makeup. I'll watch a makeup tutorial and my face will look like, I'll turn around and look like a clown. Like, call me it. Just the last time. And then I'm gonna just find another hobby to try to attempt. Cause this one ain't it. My eye won't relax now. Yeah, maybe I should use the mirror. That would have made sense, right? Y'all, I'm about to give up. Here we go again. Here we go again. Same old shit again. I'm gonna go try to clean this glue off my eye, and I'll be back. As we have all found out, let me pick up my little lash off the floor. Putting on lashes is not for your girl. I know y'all say practice makes perfect, but I ain't practicing no more. Like, I glued my eye closed twice. I failed 3 times, you know, I give up. I'm over it now. Like, I'm not about to play no games with myself. I'm not playing these games with me. I'm done. Like, I'm so over today. Like, I hope y'all found out entertaining, because my heart is really broken, because I just knew I was about to be looking like a bad little bitty out here today, you know? But it's cool, because I'm about to go right in my bed, because I'm depressed now. Be sure to not do what I did. Don't glue your eye closed. How did I glue my eye closed? I just want to be a girl. Like, I have no makeup on my face right now, y'all. None. I tried to beat my face, and yeah, I beat my face, alright. I beat it the fuck up. I tried. Help me. Bro, I glued my eyes closed. Like, alright, that's it for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I hope that was entertaining to some, you know, a lesson to others. Don't do what I did. Don't be like me. Be above me. Be above me. Okay? And make sure y'all stay tuned. More videos on the way. Bye.
I'm not just no anybody. I got status. Hey, flexing, flexing, flexing. I live lavish. I'm not just no anybody. I'm no average.